It is now 6:04 a.m. Me and Matthew have stayed up all night long doing schoolwork, and it sucks. And now we're listening to this amazing song. And here's Matthew over here not doing work. Sing the song.
No words to sing right now.
Jam-a-lammy.
That doesn't even, not even a word.
What?
Jam-a-lammy.
Yes it is.
No.
It is because I said it is.
Okay. Well, shit.
What? This is an interesting video. Look at the time. Can't see it. It's out of focus. Never mind. We can make it now.
That's gonna be edited out.
Nope.
I don't do that. I'm gonna edit that out.
No, you're not.
I am.
Nope.
That's very bad.
I was feeling this off your thing. And
No.
yeah. Oh my god. What else was funny? The dentist. Oh my god.
Is this real life?
Funny. Yes, this is real life.
I have 2 fingers. Am I gonna be like this forever?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to die. I hate assignment A. I hate papers about manipulatives. I'm going to sleep from the time I get out of class tomorrow until the next day. Because I'm so tired. What about you, Matthew? What are you going to do? No, after that. You're gonna do that still? You're gonna shoot yourself?
Mm-mm.
How are you gonna hibernate?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. You're not gonna tell me about it?
Mm-mm.
Why?
You sit your sexy ass down and watch yourself get killed. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now.
What?
Listen to Pineapple Express.
How are we gonna listen to it? You can have whatever you like. This is such an interesting video. I'm putting it on YouTube. What do you think? Yeah. Alright, are you ready for this video to be over?
Yes.
Alright, say goodnight.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The sun's about to come
Good
up.
morning. The sun's coming up. We haven't slept all night. So let's get this shit done and get out of here. And Mac is gonna dance some.
Yo, bye. Listen to this. This is like the funniest movie ever.
Alright, well listen to it and not watching it. Okay? Okay. We're done.
Get out of here.